happens with a lack of sleep? And that's all something that I got out of Matthew Walker's book about why we sleep. We see gene modifications. So genes can be read by some of our proteins, and then more proteins or messenger proteins will be produced. So basically, what kind of genes are being read by our proteins is being also determined by our sleep. When we have a lack of sleep, there's going to be an upregulation of genes that promote tumors, that promote inflammation, and that promote cardiovascular disease. And we see a decrease in immune activities, which can be a good thing sometimes, but overall, it's just impairing your immune function. We also see a disrupted blood sugar regulation on a lack of sleep. We also see that the incidences of heart attacks in summer increases where there's 1 hour less of sleep. That's really affects. So if we change the clock, a lot of people more than average have heart attacks because it's really affecting also our cardiovascular system. And if we have 24 hours without sleep, there's going to be, as you've already learned, 40% decrease in learning ability and memory, a lack of activity in the hippocampus. Hippocampus is the part of the brain for short-term memory and learning in general, and that's like the least part of the brain what we want to have less activity of. But also instead, we have an increased reactivity in the amygdala, stronger emotional reactions, as I already said, with a wider range. So people don't care much. They are on the one side very happy, then they're super angry, and yeah, you know what happens to your poker play? It becomes very impulsive. There's no objective decision making. So really make sure to get all of the sleep that you can. Sleep deprivation for only 4 hours a night. So if you only sleep 4 hours a night, we see an impaired immune function, as I already said, just a different fact. 70% reduction in natural killer cell activity to tackle possibly cancerous cells and activities. So yes, can also be very tremendously poor for our health.